Hello. Welcome to the salon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to get a haircut, please.
Great. Do you already have an appointment?
No, I don't. I was just walking by. Is it okay to walk in?
Yes, that's no problem at all. We're not too busy today. There is no wait. You're lucky.
Oh, that's great. I wasn't sure if I needed to call first.
We take walk-ins, so you're welcome anytime. Would you like something to drink? Water or tea?
A glass of water would be nice, thank you.
Of course. Here you go. Please come sit in this chair when you're ready.
Thank you so much. It looks very clean and nice in here.
Thank you. We try to keep it friendly and relaxing for everyone. So, how would you like your haircut today?
I want it shorter, but not too short. Just a little trim, please.
Okay, no problem. Do you want to keep the same style?
Yes, I like this style. Just make it a bit neater.
All right, I'll tidy it up. And the sides, should I cut them too?
Yes, but only a little bit. Not too much on the sides.
Got it. I'll trim the sides just a little. What about the back? Do you want it straight or rounded?
Straight, please. That's what I usually get.
Perfect. Would you like a shampoo before the haircut?
Yes, please. That would be nice. My hair feels a bit dusty.
No problem at all. A wash will help. Please follow me to the wash station. It's just over here.
Okay, thank you.
Is the water okay? Not too hot?
Yes, it's perfect. Very comfortable. Thank you.
Good. I'll use a little shampoo now. Let me know if anything feels wrong.
Okay, no problem.
All right. I'm rinsing the shampoo now. Still okay?
Yes, it feels nice. Very relaxing.
I'm glad to hear that. Now I'll dry your hair a little with a towel.
Okay, thank you.
All done here. Let's go back to the chair now. I'll start your haircut.
Sounds good. I'm ready.
So, do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just 2 streets away. Very close.
That's nice. It's easy for you to come here.
Yes, I like that. I walked here today.
Great. Have you been to this salon before?
No, this is my first time here.
Oh, welcome. I'm happy you came.
Thanks. The salon looks very clean and nice.
Thank you. We try our best to keep it nice for everyone. I hope you like your haircut too.
I'm sure I will. You're doing a great job.
All right, all finished. What do you think?
Wow, it looks really good. I like it a lot.
I'm so happy to hear that. I tried to keep the same style, just cleaner and shorter.
Yes, it's perfect. Just what I wanted. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Would you like some gel or spray to style it?
No, thank you. I like it just like this. Simple and natural.
Okay, no problem. I'm glad you're happy with it.
Yes, very happy. You did a great job.
Thank you. That makes me smile.
So, how much is the haircut?
The haircut is $10.
Here you go. I'll give you 12. Please keep the change.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. You were very friendly and helpful.
Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day.
You too. I'll come back next time for sure.
We'd love to see you again. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Welcome to the store. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I need some eggs.
Sure. The eggs are on the second shelf, next to the milk.
Thank you. I see them now. I'll take 1 box.
Great. Do you need anything else?
Yes, I'm looking for apples. Do you have any today?
Yes, we do. We have red apples and green apples.
What's the price for the red apples?
They are $2 per bag. Each bag has 6 apples.
That's good. I'll take 1 bag of red apples.
All right. Would you like a bag for your items?
Yes, please. I also need 1 loaf of bread.
No problem. We have white bread and brown bread. Which one would you like?
White bread, please. Do you also sell butter?
Yes, we have butter in the fridge section near the cheese.
Great. I'll get 1 pack of butter, too.
Okay, so you have eggs, apples, bread, and butter. Is that everything?
Yes, that's all for today. How much is it?
Let's see. That's $8 in total.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change, $2, and your receipt.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the fish market. How can I help you today?
I'd like to buy some fish, please.
Of course. What kind of fish are you looking for?
I'm not sure. What do you have that's fresh today?
The salmon is very fresh. We also have red snapper, tuna, and shrimp.
The salmon looks nice. Is it wild or farmed?
It's wild. Caught early this morning.
Great. I'll take 1 kilo of salmon, please.
1 kilo of salmon. Anything else?
Yes, I also need some shrimp. Are they fresh too?
Yes, very fresh. We cleaned them this morning.
Perfect. I'll take half a kilo of shrimp.
All right. 1 kilo of salmon, half a kilo of shrimp. Do you want me to clean the salmon?
Yes, please. And can you remove the skin?
Sure, no problem.
Thanks. Oh, do you sell lemons?
No, but the fruit stall next to me has some.
Okay, I'll go there next.
Good idea. Fish and lemon go well together.
Yes, they do.
All right, here's your fish and shrimp, all cleaned and packed.
Thank you. How much is it?
That's $12.50 in total.
Here you go. $15. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your meal.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a shirt.
What color do you want?
I want a blue shirt.
Okay. What size do you wear?
Medium.
Here is a blue shirt in size medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the changing room?
It's over there, next to the mirror.
Thank you. It fits well. I like it.
Great. Do you want to buy it?
Yes. How much is it?
It's $25.
Okay, I'll take it.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Here you go. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and your shirt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Hello. Welcome to the pharmacy. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need some medicine, please.
Sure. What kind of medicine are you looking for?
I have a headache. It started this morning and it's getting worse.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have any other symptoms, like a fever, sore throat, or a cold?
No, just a headache. I feel a little tired, but no fever.
Okay. Do you have allergies to any medicine?
No, I don't think so.
All right. I recommend these pain relief tablets. They're good for headaches.
How do I take them?
Take one tablet every 6 hours after food. Do not take more than 4 tablets in 24 hours.
Got it. Can I take it with tea?
Yes, that's fine. Just not with coffee or energy drinks.
Okay, thank you. How much is the box?
It's $5 for 20 tablets.
That's good. I'll take one box, please.
Here you go. Do you need anything else today?
Yes. Do you have hand sanitizer?
Yes, we have small and large bottles. The small one is $2 and the large one is $4.
I'll take the small one, please.
Great. So that's $5 for the tablets and $2 for the sanitizer. $7 in total.
Here's $10.
Thank you. Here's your change, $3, and your receipt.
Thanks. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care. Hello? Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a book.
Okay. What kind of book do you want?
I want a novel, something easy to read.
We have many novels. Do you want a love story, a mystery, or a funny book?
A funny book, please.
All right. Here is a popular funny novel. It's good for English learners.
Great. How much is it?
It's $10.
Okay, I'll take it. Do you sell notebooks too?
Yes, we do. They are over there, next to the pens.
Thank you.
I'll take one notebook as well.
No problem. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much in total?
$12. 10 for the book, 2 for the notebook.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Hi. Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. What kind of coffee?
One small latte, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes. One chocolate muffin.
Got it. One small hot latte and one muffin.
Yes, that's right.
That's $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait over there. I'll call your name.
Thanks.
Emma, your coffee is ready.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.